guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelica, and if you guys are new here, hello, welcome. Today I have my beautiful friend Natalie. So we're gonna be doing the 10-minute challenge. She's gonna do my makeup under 10 minutes. She has the timer on. So yeah, let's get this video started.
Alright, so
once you press start, there's no going back, there's no cutouts, there's nothing.
Okay. Alright.
Ow, don't fucking do this.
Alright, let's do it. What am I doing? Okay, primer. I don't know how to do this, but okay. Okay. Ah! Wait, how do you do the primer? Just with your fingers? Oh. How do you do like
makes it like lotion?
Oh, with your fingers? I didn't know. I don't use any of that stuff. Honestly, when I do my makeup, I put my foundation on. I have this lipstick that I use as blush. And I put my foundation, lipstick, sorry. I just put your eye. I'm sorry. I put the lipstick on my cheeks and then lipstick on my lips and eyeliner on my eye. Alright, so now that that's done,
you left me a whole blotch on my mouth.
Alright, you fix it.
No.
Okay. I'm gonna put foundation on. Sorry, I'm like horrible with this.
I gotta look pretty.
Well, you gotta look pretty, baby girl.
You got 8 minutes and 44 seconds.
Oh my god, okay. Stop. You're making me nervous. Honestly, this is how I do my makeup when I'm late for work. But it always ends up looking bomb as shit. Not today though. Today I didn't really. You know what I'm saying? Anyways.
7 minutes.
This is hard, bitch. Okay. Okay. Ah! Okay, this is hard. Alright. I'm just gonna. I can't even open this bullshit.
We're gonna use the Morphe James Charles palette. Go.
Alright. So what am I doing?
I don't know.
Holy shit. Okay. Okay. Fuck. Alright.
Got 7 minutes.
Oh shit. Let me see. You know what I'm saying? Okay, I'm gonna do some yellows. No, I don't have shimmer. Fuck. Okay.
7 minutes on the clock.
Oh fuck! Okay, I'm gonna do orange. I don't know what I'm doing. Ow! Fuck. This is a bad idea. Oh fuck. Oh my god. Wait, what the hell? That looks so patchy. James Charles, what the fuck are you doing with this ugly ass? Oh my god. No, it's because look, it's brighter and then it's like a patch of dark right here. It's so weird. Okay. Damn it. Okay. Holy shit, I'm over it. Okay. I'm gonna get the pink. I mean, yellow. Oh shit! Oh my god.
Oh god.
Oh my god, bitch. I'm using the wrong fucking. Oh my god. This is not the James Charles palette anymore. This is a different fucking.
It's a BH Cosmetic Daisy Marquez palette.
Oh my goodness. Okay, this brush sucks.
She got.
I've been thinking. Okay. Stop. You're making me nervous. Okay. Okay, whatever. Ah, shit. Okay, anyways, let's move on to eyebrows. Where is it? Eyebrows. Stop.
What are you putting on?
I have no idea. Oh, fuck. Okay. As you can see my makeup, I don't do makeup.
Me.
Oh, fuck.
You did that whole backwards.
I'm sorry.
Dumb here is a brush.
Oh, fuck it. Oh, how much time we got? 2 minutes?
4 minutes.
Fuck. Okay, whatever. Okay, whatever. I'm so over it. Okay, now we got this.
Bronzer. Putting bronzer.
Stop. Don't even yell. Okay. Oh, fuck. Okay, now your cheeks. I don't even like blush. Like I said, I use the lipstick as a blush. Like, I hate this, like, oh, you look so cute.
She's only using one brush.
Stop. Okay, eyeliner, where is it? Okay. We're here. Eyeliner.
3 minutes.
Close your eye, damn it. Okay. Oh my god, this is hard. Okay. Oh, stop! Oh my god, you moved your eye. Stop! I have time. I know I can finish it. Stop. Look at me. Okay, stop. Oh my god, that's a long ass eyeliner. Okay. Anyways, we're gonna do the eyeliner. Fuck. I cannot do eyeliner on other people. I mean, have you seen my eyeliner? Like, what the fuck? Alright, so now we're gonna do some lips. Okay.
Oh my god, I look like a mess. 2 minutes.
Okay. I like this color because it reminds you of like summer, and it's like hot girl summer still because it's fucking hot. So it's still fucking hot out here. Stop! Oh my god, this is not the shade I wanted. Holy fuck! Here.
Oh my god.
Take it off. No, like take it out. Okay, I'm just gonna do glitter. Fuck this shit. Here. Stop! I got 1 minute. I can finish. Stop! I'm gonna lose. Here, go like that. Yes. Oh my god. Okay.
I need a pee.
Stop! You're doing that thing with your eyes. Okay.
What am I doing with my eyes?
Oh my god, this is so fucking hard. Bitch! Stop!
Am I done?
No! No? I still got time?
A minute.
Oh my god. Okay, what do we need?
You sprayed my eyes.
Okay. Where's the little thingy?
Oh, what is this going on?
What the fuck? What did you do?
What did you do?
Okay. Stop! Okay.
No.
Okay.
What are you doing?
No, stop. Angelica! Stop! You keep moving, Kevin!
Bitch.
Why?
Oh my god.
Oh my god, 10 minutes go by so fucking quick. Okay, take that shit off. I got time.
Oh my god.
Alright, anyways, we're up. Okay. Fuck, I can fix it. Okay. Tell me when to stop.
I can't see.
Hey!
So this is it?
Yes.
And she done.
How did I do?
I got poked in my eye, sprayed in my eye, and I got
What is that?
foundation. Damn, she a mess. Okay, explain your art piece here.
Okay, so what the fuck? Okay, first of all, I didn't know what I didn't know what color to choose, and like I like orange and like bright colors, so I went with orange and yellow. But
Where's my lips? Where did they go? Oh my god. Let me give you up close. Not blending.
What? What happened?
Not even blended.
You kept moving.
Whoa, what happened to this eye? You can see where the foundation is. Oh my god.
Well, you said 10-minute fucking makeup. What'd you expect?
A good job.
What'd you expect?
Oh.
Okay, this is how I do my makeup on my way to work because I only got like 10 minutes to get to work, but I don't know what happened.
Oh my god. Well, anyway, this is it for the video.
So I have some, I think just the eyeliner is what fucked up.
Should I do yours?
No, bitch. I'm fine with my makeup right now.
Anyways, but this is my makeup in 10 minutes by this beautiful thing right here.
I did that.
Comment down below if you guys want me to do hers under 10 minutes.
Mm-mm. Nope.
I'll probably poke her in the eye too on purpose. Ah!
Bitch. Let me see.
Anyways,
Yeah, that shit's bad.
yeah, give
Close
this
up.
video a
Close
thumbs
up.
up. Oh, you can't. How do I do that?
Oh, close up. Damn. Look at that. Cut crease and everything.
Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, because I will be doing a giveaway once we hit 300 subscribers. So,
Yep.
bye. With my beautiful friend Natalie. I butchered that, Natalie.